George has lost his mind.
Ah, it's cold.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirtnation Offroad. So today we're doing an actual trail review. We're up in Big Bear. As you can see, there is snow everywhere from this past weekend, and we're gonna be doing the Gold Mountain, no, not Gold Mountain, Gold Mountain's crazy. The trail that we're doing is Gold Fever Trail. Now apparently this is a pretty easy trail. I've never been there before, but we're gonna be reviewing it today, checking it out, and giving you guys a video so you guys can see if you want to do it. So enjoy the video, guys. Have a good one.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride.
Alright guys, so we're about a couple miles through the trail right now, and we've reached official snow. So no more dirt, it's all snow now. It's all kind of packed down because people have been coming through here the last couple days. As you're going up the trail, about a mile in, you're going to see a fork. There's you can go left or go right. Now to continue on this trail, you want to go right, and then that'll take you up here. And we're going to continue on. This is about 11-mile trail. I didn't mention that in the video. Also something to mention is that I am using four-wheel drive for the ice, and I'm going kind of slow because I've never driven my truck in snow before, but you know, we'll go from there.
Jingle all the way. What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Crashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
Alright guys, continuing. George has got the drone up again. I parked off to the side, get some little fresh snow. We're going to be starting some beauty shots. We're going to roll that right now. Man, all that filming made it hot. I had to take off my jacket.
Hot.
It's good stuff. Plus, our jackets are wet. You know why already, but good stuff. Now we're going to throw some snow on my truck and then bounce. Continue on the trail.
Don't throw it inside my window, alright?
What? You good, bro? Oh shit! I didn't mean for that to go
fired,
in.
Bro.
Ah! What the hell, man? Look at all this. God, look at my. George is fired. Look at all my freaking beanie. Bros, you fired. You're fired.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air.
Just a quick point of reference. So as you continue on the trail, you'll see it on the GoPro. There'll be a sign that's right here, and you have to turn right for the Gold Fever Trail. And that's to finish it up, right there.
Pressuring Dustin into doing donuts in the snow because he's such a bitch. So, here we go. He's coming. He's back there. First, he's going to cross this puddle. Get it! My man Dustin. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, he's getting it. One more, one more. Yeah, boy. Yes. Woo.
Was that it?
That was it, Chief. How you feel? Do you feel?
Good.
Do you feel more?
Good.
Feel more like a man?
That was pretty. Look, it's all wet, bro.
Dude, you got me nasty the first time.
In the one-horse sleigh, giddy up, jingle horse, pick up the beat, jingle around the clock, mix and a mingle in the jingling feet. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock. Jingle bell, 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 jingle bell, 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 bell,
So we've reached like a kind of new terrain on the trail. A lot more water, a lot more mud, and you also deal with cliffside. So it gets a lot more narrow. So if somebody else comes by, you're gonna have to kind of scoot over for them to get out of the way. Looks like we're also going down the mountain, so I think we're closing up on the trail, and we'll be back to the street soon. So we'll do a wrap up once we get down, and then close it from there.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animals, and a Happy New Year.
Alright, so that about wraps it up. So we just got off the trail, we're back on pavement. We go back this way to go to the 18, so it'll drop you off next to like some big building. It's some, I don't know what it is, but big building, that's a key. And then you'll hit pavement. So we found a nice little shady spot, and I'm gonna air up my tires real quick, and then we're gonna hit the road and get out of here. Now, quick thing, you know, you saw those mud pits we're hitting. Take a look at this. That's disgusting. My truck does not look good right now.
Bro. You have to wash all that. Bro, are you serious?
This definitely ain't no Azusa mud.
You serious? Let's find that shit in the Ginger Bay.
So that's our review of Gold Fever Trail in Big Bear. I highly recommend this trail. It's really easy and a lot of really good scenery, especially if it's snowing. So highly recommend it. Come check this place out. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to Dirtnation Offroad on Instagram and YouTube. And we'll be posting a lot of this stuff, a lot of behind the scenes. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you again next time.